What if I told you that the strongest person in your gym isn't the one grinding out endless reps? It's the one who can hold still and not move at all. Sounds backwards. But holding a position under load might build more raw strength than any rep range you've ever trained. Today, we're breaking down why standing still could be the missing piece in your training, and why almost nobody trains this way. We've all been taught the same formula. More reps equals more gains. 3 sets of 10, progressive overload, chase the burn, and reps do work for building muscle size and endurance. But strength, real, raw, structural strength, doesn't come from movement alone. It comes from something most lifters skip completely: time under maximum tension without moving a muscle. Here's what happens in your nervous system during a hold. When you move through a rep, your body only needs to recruit enough motor units to complete that movement, nothing more. But when you hold a position at maximum effort, a wall sit, a plank, an L sit, your nervous system has no choice but to recruit nearly 100% of the available motor units just to keep you from collapsing. No rep ever forces that kind of full system activations. Holding still isn't passive. It's the most demanding thing you can ask your nervous system to do. Muscles adapt fast, tendons don't. Tendons need sustained load, not fast, bouncy reps, to actually thicken and strengthen. That's why static holds are the foundation of every advanced calisthenics skill. The planche, the front lever, the human flag. Athletes who chase these skills through reps alone get injured. Athletes who build the hold first build joints and tendons that can handle real force without breaking down. Reps are great for building muscle size, endurance, and movement skill. But holds are the tool for raw strength, joint stability, and control. If you only train reps, you're building a body that looks strong but breaks under real static load. Think carrying something heavy, catching yourself from a fall, holding a position under pressure. If you only train holds, you lose speed and endurance. The strongest athletes use both. Reps to build the engine, holds to build the frame that engine sits on. So here's how you actually apply this. Take any exercise you're already doing and add a hold at the hardest point. Doing push-ups? Hold at the bottom for 3 to 5 seconds. Doing squats? Pause at the deepest point. Working toward a pull-up? Stop mid-rep and hold. Start with 3 sets of 10 to 20-second holds, twice a week, and build up from there. You don't need to abandon reps. You need to stop skipping the one training method that builds the strength reps can't. Reps build the engine. Holds build the frame. Stillness recruits nearly every motor unit you have. Tendons only strengthen under sustained load, not bouncing reps. And the strongest people you know probably aren't doing more reps than you, they're just better at standing still under pressure. If this changed how you think about training, hit subscribe. We break down the science behind strength every single week. No bro science, no fluff. Drop a comment. Are you training holds or just reps? Let's find out who's actually building real strength.